Hello folks, welcome back to Growing with the Gold. We're doing our final pumpkin check-in and it's carnage. We love to show our successes here on Growing with the Gold, but we're not afraid to show our failures. This year, the deer were my failure. I didn't fence, I thought we'd be fine. And you can see here, the deer decimated. All of the major leaves got eaten throughout the season. Sure, we got a few pumpkins, but we got no giants. You can see the damage all throughout this bed. We've got hoof prints. We've got rot. We have sheer, unadulterated carnage. They took no mercy on me this year, but take note, I will be back next year with fencing. Well, all in all, I would still call this year a success. In the end, we got a baker's dozen there, Bob. As always in the garden, with the defeat comes some victories. While we didn't get any giants, we did get some beautiful pumpkins. This thing's fantastic. We got some beautiful cacais. These are just great for the hulless pumpkin seeds, those beautiful green beauties that are so delicious. This is a Baker Creek variety cacai. Thanks again, Baker Creek. And we've learned from our lessons. We will fight these deer tooth and nail from the beginning next year, and we'll bring you a giant. Thanks for checking in again on another Growing with the Gold.